Hello guys and welcome to today's video. So today we're going to be exploring a new app which helps you learn different languages in a very fun and exciting way. It's called Duolingo. I don't know if I'm saying that right. So it has like a green owl icon. So when you open it, yeah, it's so fun. The graphics are so amazing. I really love them. So if you can choose the language you want to work with, I always wanted to for my French. So it brings up this list of questions that help it better access your training individually, since we all have different levels. When you're done answering all these questions, it makes it so much easier for the app to help you in learning that language. So next it starts assessing your level and gives you an exercise on a startup to assess how good you are at the language. And you can actually make this a daily something, so it's like a target every day. You have to go to the app and complete a particular amount of exercises to better learn the language, and like just be very consistent about it. So it says somewhat like a game. It's so interesting. Actually, I really love it. And I'll really recommend you download this app, guys. It's so interesting. As you can see, the graphics are so amazing. Like I say, I really love the graphics of it. So take it upon yourself. You can subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this. Share to your friends to also download the app. And that's practically a video of today. To the next video, stay safe and thank you for watching.